Hey guys, Adam from Cash Digital here, and I'm going to make a quick video showing you how to install Facebook Pixel via Google Tag Manager. For this video, I'm going to assume that you already have Google Tag Manager installed, but if you don't and you're using a WordPress website, why don't you check out my previous video, which is how to install Google Tag Manager for WordPress. Okay, why would you want to install Facebook Pixel on your website? Well, it's like Google Analytics, but Facebook's version. So it tracks the visitors to your site via the cookies. And also that's very helpful for when you're sending traffic from Facebook, when you're running ads and you want to track your traffic that comes from Facebook to your website and then what those users do when they get on your website. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so we're at the computer and let's get going. So we're going to install the Facebook Pixel via the Tag Manager. And like I said, you should already have Tag Manager installed to do this. If you don't have Tag Manager installed already, like I said previously, check out my previous video. To help us do this job, we're going to use a plugin on Chrome called Facebook Pixel Helper. So Google search that and it will be the top result. This is how the page looks. So you want to add that to Chrome. Once you've got that added, you can go and have a look at the site that you're going to work on. And obviously if you click on the extension, it's going to tell you no pixel found at the moment. And like I say, this is the Tag Manager one, and there we can see that it's there's our container and there's the analytics code that's currently in there. So we're going to add the Facebook code now. So to do that, you will need to, under your Facebook Business Manager, go to Events, and then under Pixels, you're going to want to add a data source, go and create a new pixel for your website, give it the information, and you will end up on the Install Pixel code page like this. We're not too concerned about the first part of the code. It's the second part of the code that we want. So you're going to want to copy that, and we're going to use that into the Tag Manager. So if you jump into your Tag Manager, I'm going to pull mine in here. We're going to go to Tags, and we are going to add a new tag, and we're going to call it Facebook Pixel. And tag configuration, we want to add custom HTML. We want to go and grab this code for our pixel, paste that in there, and we want to trigger that on every page. And this is just the most basic version of an installation of the pixel, just for viewing pages. Within the pixel, you can track all sorts of events and actual clicks of the buttons and things that happen within the pages. But for this, we're just going to set it up and show it with the page view. So let's add that, let's save that, and that's it, it's done. So if we go back to overview now, and we can put it into preview mode, and that's going to bring up a debug pane at on the bottom half of our, what's going on with my, there you go, it's going into preview mode. So now when we view the site in our browser on our computer, we're going to get a debug pane at the bottom half of the screen, and it will tell us what tags are firing. So here under the summary, we can see 1, 2, and 3, number 1 page views, and summary tags fired on this page, Facebook Pixel, and the Universal Analytics. We can try a couple of other pages just to see that it's firing on all pages. Again, that will pop up here. They're fired one time, fired one time. Do one more for good luck. And they're fired again. So we can go back to the Tag Manager. We can leave the preview mode, I suppose, but don't forget we need to push the changes live. So here we go, one workspace change, and we need to submit that. Let's push that live. So added Facebook Pixel. And let's publish that. And that's now live. So if we go back to the site and we can reload that. The pane will now have gone. And we can see now that our Facebook Pixel Helper has popped up with a green flag showing us that the page view event is being tracked. And there you go. So that's it. That's how to install Facebook Pixel via Tag Manager. Hope you found it helpful. Please like, share, comment, and ask any questions if you have any questions. And I hope you found some value in this. Thank you very much.